Welcome to model 5 of the lesson. In this model, we are going to look at how to create a YouTube channel the right way. All right. Now, this will be more practical, but I want us to go through the slides so that if there are important stuff, you discuss them before moving away from the slides. So, how to create your YouTube channel? First, you create Gmail account. If you already have one, you use that Gmail account to sign in into YouTube. All right. You click on create account. You'll be doing that. Then you choose a profile picture for your account, right? Or you use your logo as a display picture for your account. Then you select a banner. You create a banner. So in the designing class, I'll teach you how to create a banner, how to create a logo. I'll teach you all that, right? And if possible, you add watermark. Um, then you write a description for your channel. Okay. Next, you go to add your TikTok link to your YouTube account. You add your Instagram link, your all your other social media platform. Add the links to your YouTube so that the audience can follow you in those platforms. And next, you upload the trailer. For that one, we treat it later. Then you go to the YouTube studio. As well, is important. All the necessary settings. You do it, and that is all. You go through the monetization option, then you read and make sure you read and understand the requirements, right? Because that will be your target as a beginner. All right. Okay, so that is it. Let's go to YouTube and learn how to create our. So this is my YouTube. I have my account already connected. So let's move on to sign. If yours will be sign in, you look for sign in. Then you sign in with your email, right? Then you'll be brought here. Then you type your email or your phone number that you use in creating the email and your password. We'll continue to YouTube. All right, so our channel is ready. So that is it. Our new email has been signed in. When you create a channel, so you click on create a channel over here. Okay, then please use your brand's name, a professional and a unique brand's name. You see, if somebody goes to YouTube and searches Richard Frempong, there'll be so many Richard Frempongs, right? But unless the person search maybe you type in your unique brand name that is mainly for you again. The moment the person searches that, your YouTube channel will show, right? Yes. So please use a unique like we discussed. So let's use something like Rich Pond. So Richard Frempong that I've added together. So let's say if you are creating a sports channel, so Rich Pond Sports. If it's entertainment, Rich Pond Entertainment, whatever it is, you just then select a profile picture. So okay, so we don't want to use these are avatars you can use to as your logo, but we want to make our channel professional. So you choose from a computer, then upload from a computer. Then you scroll down to seriously, do I have image here? Let's just select. Let's say this is our logo, right? We upload it and wait So then we move on to create channel. Six. All right. So now we have our YouTube channel, a unique name, Rich Pond Sports, and a unique logo. So click on customize channel. There are so many things we need to do. So this will bring us to YouTube Creator Studio. What I told you about. Yeah. If you are uploading video, try and upload it from the Creator Studio. If possible, you have a laptop, from the laptop. If not, then you can use the Chrome version. But that will give you so many options the normal app won't give you. You understand? Okay. So there's it. You can just be reading stuff. Yeah. So there are three. You see, you need what we call a banner. See, the banner has three faces. It must meet three standard. It must meet the mobile standard. The same time, meet the laptop standard, and the same time meet the TV standard. Those who open the channel from the TV. All right. So I'll later teach you how to create a banner that will meet all the three standard. Then you just upload it. Right. Later I'll show you my YouTube channel how my banner looks like on this. Then profile picture has been uploaded successfully. Okay. Our name, we can edit it from here. Our handle, we edit it from here. Then tell viewers about your channel. Your description will appear here. So if you don't have anything in mind and you have ChatGPT, that with ChatGPT you should know how to give a prompt to yield better results, right? See what I've written. I'm creating a sports channel on YouTube where I will be creating sports videos and football reaction. So please help with an expert description for my channel. Your response should be as though you are a professional YouTube expert. I don't know tautology, but still I'll get a result I want. Okay. Okay. Hey, don't mess up. So that's so brief and perfect. So I'll just copy that. Now back to my channel. And I'll paste it over there. Welcome to. I need to edit that. Rich Pond. It sounds like Rich Pond. Sorry. Rich Pond Sports. Blah blah blah. I think it makes sense. Okay. What else do I need? Add languages. Let's add about so that those who can speak English, they can understand French is here. What the channel is about. No, the original is English, and let's select French. Our description should change to French so that the French francophone language is um so same ChatGPT, then translate this to French, then paste what I copied. ChatGPT will do the work for me as easy as ABC. So it says bienvenue. So your name will be here. Votre destination out boy. Juma. So copy. Now back to our channel. Then we paste it over here. Right? So that our French. So this side is rich. Our francophone friends can also understand what our channel is about. So rich. I think name is name. Rich Pong sports. What you see, all these things you won't get it from the YouTube app mobile version. That's why I advise you should. Okay, you can do the same thing for other languages. Okay, so this is our YouTube link, the link to our YouTube channel. If you want to send it to anyone to subscribe this, we can also add our external links. So external link, if it's TikTok, you just type TikTok here, then you go and copy the link from TikTok and paste it over here. Then you do the same thing for all your other social media platforms. If you have a website, you add it, but we don't have any of that, so we relax. Let people know how to contact you for, in case business purposes. Then you put the rich pong Gmail, no cry Gmail credit there, man. Show Gmail no. So yes, you put your Gmail over there, right? Then what else? What else? What else? Okay, so this is a water mark. Maybe have a short video that explains what the channel is about. You can record some here. Welcome to Rich Pong Sports. It's a platform for black. You can let ChatGPT write something professional for you. Then you'll memorize it and create a short video with nice, background, and you upload it over here. That will make your channel so professional. All right, when you're done, you move on to, yeah, delete this. Then I think everything is ready. Account is ready. So you click on publish, and your account will be created. So the banner you do it later. So let's see. Go back to YouTube and see. Yeah. So this is our channel. This our channel is ready and alive. You know, Rich Punk. So if anybody searches Rich Punk, I think they should see my channel. Right, it's ready. So that's it. They'll go back to our action tags and do these four things. First, create your YouTube channel. Now that you know how to do it, please don't use the mobile view version. All right. Then design a banner and a thumbnail, right? If you don't know how to do it, I have a designing class coming up, so I'll be teaching you how to do all that. And you write an SEO optimized channel description. If you don't know how to do that, I use ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you are serious about YouTube and you want to make this a serious business, this is an ebook that I've written, and it contains all the guides you need as a beginner to becoming pro. If you are interested in getting a copy, click on the link below.